Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open any app and tap a text field so the keyboard appears. Once visible, scan the top row for a clipboard icon or tap the three-dot menu to reveal more tools. This is where Android stores copied snippets. You do this because the keyboard app, like Gboard or Samsung Keyboard, manages the Clipboard UI. If you don't see it, go into the keyboard settings and enable Clipboard. This makes copying and pasting accessible immediately. Once done, open the Clipboard panel to view recent copies and why they matter. Android can store multiple entries so you can reuse text without recopying. You'll see timestamps and a list of clips. Tap an entry to paste it into the active field. If you use something often, pin it so it won't expire. To manage clutter, long press any clip to delete it or access extra options. This gives you quick reuse and keeps the clipboard tidy for future use. To finish, place the cursor where you want text and tap the clipboard entry to paste. This inserts the saved snippet instantly. Make sure to clear sensitive items from the clipboard or delete them individually to protect privacy. If the clipboard feature isn't appearing, update or switch your keyboard app, then check keyboard permissions and clipboard settings. This usually restores the icon. If that fails, reboot the phone or reinstall the keyboard. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.